In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Gamma AI presentation to PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, I'll select the presentation I want from my dashboard by clicking on this Video AI tool project. Once the presentation opens, I'll take a quick look at my slides to make sure everything is ready. Then I'll head up to the top right corner and click the Share button. In the pop-up menu, I'll look at the sidebar on the left and select the Export option. From here, I'll click on Export to PowerPoint. A message appears showing that my PowerPoint is being generated. It's safe to close the panel, but I'll stay here for a moment until the file is ready. I can see the download finished in my browser, so I'll go ahead and click the file to open it up. Microsoft PowerPoint is now launching on my computer. As it opens, you can see the entire project has been converted while keeping the design and layout consistent. I'll scroll through to verify that all my sections, including the functions and Creative Arsenal slides, look perfect in the new format. Everything is now editable and ready to go. And there you have it. That's the complete process of exporting a Gamma AI presentation to PowerPoint. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.